A portfolio website is more than just a personal project, it's your professional identity on the web. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of building your own portfolio site using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, start by creating a new project folder and add 3 essential files: index, HTML, style.css, and script.js. These will handle the structure, design, and interactivity of your site. Next, write the basic HTML layout. Add sections like About Me, Projects, and Contact. Use semantic HTML tags such as and to keep your code organized and SEO-friendly. Once your structure is in place, move on to styling with CSS. Set your fonts, colors, and layout to match your personal brand. Use Flexbox or CSS Grid to align elements, and don't forget to make it mobile responsive with media queries. Now, bring your site to life using JavaScript. Add smooth scrolling, interactive navigation, or even a light, dark mode toggle to enhance the user experience. You can also use JavaScript to validate forms or add animations. Finally, it's time to go live. You can easily deploy your portfolio using GitHub Pages, Netlify, or Vercel, free platforms that make your website accessible to the world in minutes. Building your portfolio from scratch not only sharpens your web development skills but also gives potential employers a chance to see what you can do. Keep updating your site with new projects and improvements. Your portfolio is your personal showcase, make it count.